What's up everybody, welcome back to my laboratory where safety is number one priority, and today I'm going to put to the test 5 more kitchen gadgets. Let's see what I got this time. For the first gadget I got here watermelon slicer. I have put to the test watermelon slicer before, but it was all plastic and it even broke on me. This one is all heavy duty metal. Can you believe it? Let's see if I'm actually going to cut watermelon really good. It seems to be pretty sharp. You will need to cut off a top, so that way the slicer can cut through easily. That's the most important thing you have to do. Don't forget it, because you might break the watermelon slicer even though it's not its fault. And all you have to do is just wow, look at that. Ooh, that is so satisfying. Check this out, and this is the best part of the watermelon. It's a core, so that's a treat. But now you can just grab a watermelon and pull it out. You know what? I think I should have cut off the bottom of watermelon as well, so that way it won't get stuck. But whoa, look, I can take it off and it stays all together like that too. That is cool. You know what? Let me show you a different view. And this time I'm gonna cut the bottom and the top. Just like that. I might cut the bottom a bit more. And you see, I'm pretty much not wasting watermelon at all. Just a little bit. Boom. You cut the watermelon like this, set it on a table. Let me move that. And then look at this view. How easy was that? And this whole watermelon even stayed together. So you can lift it up and take it out. This is so much power in this slicer. And look at that. And again, the core is the best part. But whenever you cut the bottom, you do not have this really cool flower over the watermelon stays together. So this is what you get if you do cut the bottom or don't. I actually like this slicer way better than a plastic one. Very durable, very nice. Next kitchen gadget, I got peach gadget. Let's see what it does. It looks like an apple slicer, but as you can see, this is for the pit, and you don't have a core on a peach. You only have a pit. That's all we need to take out. By the way, in Russian, pit is kostочка. Okay, you open this up, slice right in 4 pieces. Boom, check this out. And then you close this all the way out. Boom and boom. 4 pieces, and then you eat this part off a pit. You don't want to waste any food, right? This was a lot easier than I thought. Wow. And again, I have here smaller and bigger peaches. Let's open this thing up, slice it. Ooh, this one is barely big enough, but no problem. And look, it actually cut it to the bone, to the kostочка, to the pit. Boom, and then you can take this out. Almost perfect, but you know, you just make sure you take it out. Don't throw away the core. It's not like an apple. You can take the pit out and this stuff is still good. But then you can present it really nicely and give it to your kids, to your friends, whatever. Perfect slices. And it's easy to do. You're not wasting a ton of time. Boom, close it, boom, fall off. Very nice. I can do this all day. It's so easy. And take the pit out. Very nice. You know what, for fun, let's do it 2 more times. Got different sizes. Make sure this gadget is good. Wow, this one cut all the way instantly. Didn't even have to use this part. If it gets stuck, pushes up, boom, done. Take the pit out. Easy. Thumbs up for me. Let me go eat some peaches now. For the next gadget, I got here mango slicer. Really easy instructions. Cut it, slice it, and then you can do whatever. The whole thing is plastic. comes apart for easy way to wash it. Boom. So you got yourself mango. I got the huge ones out here just to show you guys you can do any size. 1, 2. Set it down like that and then slice it. Boom. Oh, almost all the way. There you go, all the way. And now you can take the pit out. Cut this out, and like on the picture, for easy serving, you can just slice it up and pop this out. Boom. And then you can eat it like that or use a knife to scrape everything off. Or you can get a glass and peel it with a glass. Just push it all the way. Make sure the glass is clean. Look at that, easy. And then you can take it out and not worry about the peel and eat it. Ooh, this one is juicy. Very nice. Let's demonstrate one more time with a different angle. Cut the bottom, cut the top, just like that, as long as it stands. It looks good. Find the pit. Push it all the way too, take it out, push the pit out. Boom. Perfect mango right here. Once again, cut this out. And you have lots of mango right here. So very useful slicer and nothing much to it, so I think it will last lifetime. For the next kitchen gadget, I'm going to put to the test this popcorn bucket. But what's so special about here? This right here is a popcorn kernel catcher that is unpopped. So let's see if it actually works. You put this in till it pops and it should stay in there. It's perfect for one of those air popping popcorn. So got my popcorn, put it in there. This is actually perfect, look at that. It's not gonna spill any popcorn. The other bowls that I have usually spill some popcorn. Oh yeah, I'm supposed to put a bit of mustard down here. As you can see, there's kernels flying around, and when it starts popping, some kernels will fly into here without being popped. So like, we'll see that in a second. Oh, do you see there's a kernel fell in? I'm pretty sure, yep, there's a kernel fell in and fell all the way down. There's a second kernel, and you see it falls all the way to the bottom. I want you to see better. You see there's a kernel, you shake it and it falls all the way to the bottom. So when you pop it all, you want to shake everything up. Beautiful, just keep shaking. Now, before you eat popcorn, you want to shake everything up. Make sure all the kernels that is unpopped goes to the bottom. Kind of makes sense, right? All the heavy kernel will go down when you shake it and pop. All the fluffed up stuff will stay to the top. Okay, now, let's say you're going to eat it and you don't have to worry about as much getting the popcorn kernel and break your teeth. I took out all the popcorn slowly and I went to the bottom. Now let's say move this part. And this machine is perfect. It pops most of the popcorn, but still I can count few kernels out there that is not popped. And guess what? They went all the way to the bottom and I don't have to worry about grabbing it and eating it by mistake. And some of this popped popcorn went down in there because the holes are this big, and if it's smaller than the holes, it'll go inside, but it's okay. The most important that is unpopped kernels are stayed to the bottom and not going to eat them by mistake while I'm watching the movie in the dark. So really unique popcorn bucket. I never seen anything like that, so thumbs up for me, it actually works. And for the last kitchen gadget, we got here microwavable splatter guard. I have a couple of standard big plates. Let's see if it's going to fit all the way to the top. Yep. This one a bit smaller, and as you can see it works just as good. Very nice. And there's a couple holes, so that way it's not vacuum sealed. everybody knows if you try to reheat chicken in a microwave, if you cook it for too long, sometimes it pops and the meat all over your microwave. It's really bad to clean it. I really love that one because look how wide it is and tall it is, so that way it won't be touching my food either. I can really pile up lots of food without worrying it that this food not be in a way, or the lid will not be touching my food. What I really want to see that chicken actually popping and seeing how much mess that lid is going to catch, because that lid is a lot easier to clean. Just put it in the washing machine and don't have to worry about cleaning out all the microwave. Oh, there was a lid popping there. Did you hear it? Let's see what happened in there. Not bad. It didn't splatter too much, but everything wet, so it did splatter a little bit. But in case it did, look, there is a couple pieces of chicken, so it didn't go anywhere on microwave. You know what? I might keep this thing in the microwave, so next time somebody using it, they can cover up the plate easy. Well guys, that's pretty much it. Let me know in comments below which gadget was your favorite. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.